Look, in 1979, I think almost all those people who worked with me in the Ministry of Agriculture, maybe they're all gone. They went out in July 1979 and the Federal Ministry of Agriculture came with the report that that year we would be self-sufficient in rice. If not 1979, by 1980, what they have seen in the field. We banned importation of rice. When our successor came, led by Alhaji Shimshakari, they lifted because the party leaders said they want to import rice. They lifted. I tell you the story of one of the importers. He got import license. He ordered rice to be imported from America. And the one who told me this story was the Nigerian ambassador in New York. Because the man who imported the rice is from his town. When he has done the importation, everything has been done, he asked them to add $5 million on top, which they did. The supplier did. Then they were afraid. They said, look, we may not get our money because it's an ad, you get your money. So they did. After they have done it and the money has been paid, he went to America to get his own share. He was expecting $2.5 million. They gave him $1 million. And he went to report to this ambassador, who then called these people. And ambassador said, we will not tolerate anybody cheating a Nigerian and all that. The supplier then said, hey, Mr. Ambassador, you don't understand what you are saying. Look, this is what happened. The order was made. We made the order. Prince was a prince. Prince asked us to add $5 million. We took a risk, and we did. We never thought we would get the money. We got the money, and then he came, he wanted 50%. No, he didn't take any risk. We took all the risk. We gave him $1 million. That is your country. And your leader. And your people. Why do we do that to ourselves? For money. And you can multiply this. You can go on. So we have to decarbonize our brain. We have to wash ourselves clean of the dirt. And then we have to look at the system, as you rightly said.